Hi everyone, it's Stephanie. Welcome back to my channel. So I did not film an intro for this, so I'm just gonna talk through it really quickly. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I style my hair since I have cut it. A lot of you guys have been asking questions about it, so that is the video you are getting today. So if you guys want to see how I curl my hair, then please keep watching. Okay guys, so let's get started. I just went ahead and heated up my straightener. It doesn't take very long to heaten it up. This is the Conair Infinity Pro straightener. The label has literally came off because I've had this for so many years. I think I've had it for like a few years now. This one makes it easy to curl your hair as well, so that's why I got it. So this is the Conair one. This is the straightener that I've been using for years. I love it. And then I'm just going to heat that up, and then I'm eventually going to heat up my Conair Infinity Pro curling iron. And I recently just got this. This is a 1.5 inch curling iron barrel. It is rose gold. It's so pretty. I just got this at Target like 2 weekends ago. So they come in different sizes. So I love Conair's curling irons. I love Hot Tools as well, but I find that my Hot Tools one doesn't work as good as these Conair ones. I go ahead and plug in this curling iron. I have all these cords around, so this is a disaster. I also have two types of combs here. I have this like little pick comb and then a little teasing comb. And then I'm using two of the Tresemme products. These are dry texture finishing spray, and then the Tresemme thickening spray, which is like a volume spray. These are newer. I just got them at Target like a few weeks ago as well. I didn't take down my hair. I have it just like clipped up. I already went ahead and like brushed it out. Now my hair is second day like blown out hair. So yesterday I blow dried my hair with my Revlon styler. You guys have seen me do a whole video on that. I'll try to remember to link it down below. I love my Revlon styler. I highly recommend it for a quick blowout. So that's what I did yesterday, and then I kind of put it up in a ponytail the rest of the day. So that's why it's kind of like has some indents, but this is what we're working with. It is second day hair, which I prefer to use. I feel that my hair holds better on second day hair, so that's just me. And I have no dry shampoo or anything in it because I don't need to. If you need to put in dry shampoo, you can. So I'm gonna go ahead and section off my hair. I usually do about to, I don't know, a little bit above my, basically I take from like my eyebrows back, and then I just clip that section up. Well, all I'm doing with my straightener is I'm just gonna take like a big chunk, and I'm just going to be doing the ends. So I'm just like straightening out the ends a little bit. This is going to give us like that really like straight end, but then yet the hair is still curled. I just think that this works best with my type of haircut. Now, my hair kind of is like a little bit longer in the front here, these pieces, like it kind of comes on an angle. It's a little bit of a lob, but it's not fully a lob. It's just way shorter, so I like to make sure that the ends are a lot like straighter, just because this will help the overall effect of like making sure that my hair isn't like, it just kind of helps, makes my curls not look so Shirley Temple-esque. And I'm getting so many questions about how I do my hair since I've cut it, so here is the look. So as you guys can see, I'm really getting the ends straight because I want them to be as straight as possible. If you have any like kinks in your hair, if you have any like little curly pieces like I do, what I like to do is just kind of go run through them a little bit. I'm going to take the next section and bring it down. This is just like the rest of my hair. Naturally part it. As you guys can see the difference already, like the straight pieces, the not straight pieces. Sure that the little parts of my hair that's curly up here, I kind of like straighten down a little bit. And then just go in at just the ends. Telling you, this is the key to getting like a really nice like wave when your hair is shorter, is just straightening out those ends. And I do a pretty good like 2 inches of them straight, because I rather do a little bit more than not enough. I'm just gonna straighten that up a little bit. Again, I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. I do have some curlier pieces up here at the front just because that's just how my natural hair is. Okay, so since the ends are all pretty much straightened out now, we're gonna go ahead and start to curl. So what I'm gonna do is section off my hair again from like my eyebrows and push all of this back up into a clip. So for my end pieces, what I'm gonna add is this volume thickening spray from Tresemme. So I'm gonna shake it up. You're supposed to shake it up a little bit. And I'm just going to spray a little bit on my ends, because this is just going to add volume as well as some texture into the curls, and it's going to help it stay a little bit longer, which I like. I'll probably take a section this big. I'll take my curling iron, and I'm always going away from my face, and I'm just going to start by clamping it up closer to the root and leaving it there for a few seconds, and then I'm going to add some more hair, and then I'm going to twist it up. But I leave a good solid like inch probably on the ends so that I don't curl the ends that I just straightened, and then I'm just going to drop. And you guys will see that because we straightened the piece, this part kind of stays straighter. That makes sense. I'm taking pretty big like sections, and I can just curl my hair a lot faster this way. What I like to do is hold it at the root a little bit longer, because that's going to give you that volume right at the root so that your hair is a lot fuller, and I just like the look that it gives, and it also helps the curl last a little bit longer. Now you can do your curls every other way. I prefer not to do that. I just don't like how my hair looks like that. And there you go. So then I'm just gonna leave these curls to just kind of set. I'm not gonna touch them, so I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. So that is the bottom layer. That's what it looks like. We're gonna go ahead and do the next layer. I usually like to section this off a little bit because I just wanna make sure that I am curling every piece and getting the full potential volume I can. Once we finish curling all of the pieces, this is what my hair looks like, and it's just all settled. I haven't touched it or brushed anything out yet. Usually what I like to do is let the curls cool off a little bit, because that gives them the chance to kind of set, and then they won't like just fade away during the day. So what I'm going to do is spray a little bit of texture spray onto the curls. Now that our hair is nice and cooled, I'm gonna take this little comb. I prefer using a wide tooth comb. I cannot find mine. I have to go buy one, like Target or something today. But this is just what I'm gonna do, is I'm just going to run my comb through it really, really lightly. See, there's some tangles in there. My air conditioning just kicked on, so if you guys hear that, that's what it is. And I'm just running my comb right through these pieces, just like this. And then you have that really nice like wave. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tease up here at the top just a little bit, just to give some height to my roots. So I don't want them to be too flat. I'm not a big fan of teasing my hair. It just, I don't know, it's really not good for your hair to tease it all the time, so I usually try to avoid that. But for the sake of this look and the video, we're gonna tease it up a little bit. And then I like to just take my comb and just kind of like fluff up some of these pieces. It gives the body this gives the hair like a little bit extra body. It makes it look more tousled and like waved and just like messy, which is kind of the look I like to go for. And then I'm just gonna spray some of this volume spray again, just a little bit. And then I just kind of leave it and let it fall for the rest of the day. But this is the overall final result. It came out perfect. This is how I curl my hair, how I get it to look like this. Nice, like wavy, beachy vibe. I love this. And I like it because the ends are still kind of straight, but yet tousled. I just think it's like a really effortless, really pretty look. And if you have shorter hair like this, it's a great way to style it. And it's super easy. This I can probably do this look in like 15 minutes and I'm out the door, which is a new record for me, because when I had my long hair, to curl it, you guys, would take forever. So I really, really love this, and this is just really simple, and I think anyone can do it. If you are really good at curling your hair with a straightener, you can do this with just the straightener, but for me, I need the curling iron. I'm not that good with the straightener, so yeah, but this is the final result. So this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more hair tutorials, give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me out. In the comments below, let me know what you guys want to see next on my channel. And if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you subscribe. I'm trying to reach 15,000 subscribers and we're getting so close. So I'd love for you to subscribe and join the little family that we have here. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat to stay updated with me on a day-to-day basis. You get kind of a more behind-the-scenes look of my channel over there on Instagram, so definitely follow me there. And there's a piece of hair in my mouth. And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see all of your beautiful faces in my next video. And remember to never stop dreaming. Bye, guys!